Ford to hold 2024 Q3 earnings call later this month. Ford has officially set a date for its third quarter earnings call. As the company continues to make electric vehicles, EVs, an increasing part of its sales portfolio. In a press release on Monday, Ford announced plans to hold its Q3 earnings call on October 28 at 5 p.m. Eastern, as hosted by Ford CEO Jim Farley and CFO John Lawler. The company is expected to talk about its recent Ford Plus plan, as well as the performance of its Model E EV division. Why Ford's EV strategy shift is the best option for the company. You can listen to the webcast of the call here, and the automaker says a replay of the call will remain available until November 4th. Farley and Ford have been pushing EVs significantly this year, with the CEO recently highlighting the company's efforts to increase access to charging. A few weeks ago, Ford also launched the Power Promise program to offer free home charging equipment on new EV purchases from the company. According to recent Q3 estimates from Cox Automotive, Ford sold 23,509 EVs in the U.S. in Q3, up 12.2% year-over-year from 20,962 in the same quarter last year, and down slightly from 23,957 in the Q2. Year-to-date, Ford sold 67,689 EVs as of Q3, marking a 45% increase from the 9-month period last year. It also remains the U.S. market's second-largest seller of battery electric vehicles (BEVs) for the first 3 quarters of 2024, behind Tesla's 471,374 units. The automaker's F-150 Lightning is the second best-selling electric truck for the first 3 quarters, with 22,807 units, falling only behind the Tesla Cybertruck at 28,250. Meanwhile, the Mach-E led the automaker's EV sales overall, with 35,626 units sold. Amidst a slowdown of EV sales growth throughout much of this year, Ford has had to shift its EV strategy to focus on reaching profitability and appealing to consumer trends. The company earlier this year detailed plans to shift some future BEVs instead to hybrid powertrains and to slow down the rollout of some of its planned EV releases. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.